everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Alright, so guys, we've been talking in the middle school about how to find reading material on your own or for independent reading, as well as possibly for your classes as well. One resource that I want to show you how to use right now is our public library system. So in Larimer County, we have a phenomenal public library system that is open and free to everyone. So I want to make sure that you know how to have access to that as you are looking for reading, like I said, on your own or possibly for your classes. So if you are not yet signed up, here's where we're going to go. First, I'm going to go to the PSDV website, and I got it here by just typing in PSD Virtual. It did take me to the Poudre School District website, and I clicked there, but you should be able to find this. This is a website that we've used before, so you should be able to go there. We're in middle school, so I'm going to click here on middle school, and then down here on that third one, online databases. When I go here, it's going to route me back to the Poudre School District website, and you can see there's a lot of resources here. We're going to focus right now on the Poudre River Public Library District. So we're going to click there to go to their website. A new window will pop up. So here you can see there's a lot of different things, and again, this is for those of us who don't have a library card yet but would like one. So I'm going to click on the How Do I tab, and there's a lot of great things on this tab. You can see that the first one's talking about how to find reading material. Before we do that, though, we need to make sure we have a library card, a way to check out these materials. Again, it's free to anybody, so you're able to do this. We're going to click on Get or Replace a Library Card. Now, it's turned purple for me because I clicked on it, but here you can see in blue it says Apply for a Temporary Library Card online. So if you aren't able to go into the library right now, and I know there's restrictions around that anyways, this is a wonderful tool. So you're going to click here. You're going to fill out this information. You'll need an email address. You can use your school. You can use a personal one if you want to. That's your choice. You will also need a guardian's name. So make sure you're telling whoever your guardian is or whatever adult is with you right at home. You're just telling them, hey, I put your name here. And then you'll click submit. And it's as easy as that. You'll get an email talking about next steps, and you'll be able to check out what you need, okay? So down here, if I go back to the How Do I, couple other things I want to point out to you guys. Again, up here, there's some great resources on how to find things. It keeps a reading history for you. So what you've read in the past, you can start that now, or look at what you've read if you've been a patron of the library. You can create different lists, like reading lists, kind of like your queue would be like in Netflix or something like that, right? Your AR reading level, I know that for most part that's in elementary school, but you may be able to use some data that we have in middle school to help you, and a reading level search, so it can help you find things by interest and grade level. Down here, there's also some other things that can help you with materials you need online. You might not need those as much. Download, though, would be really helpful. So here's other ways to get ebooks, audiobooks, all sorts of different things. So some great links here. And then down here, guys, this one's really important. Ask a librarian. So this is a really great resource to get to the people in the library working. They're just waiting to help you guys. They're really excited about getting you connected with books and reading material. So you can click here or contact the library. Both of those are going to connect you with a librarian, and you can talk to them about what you need. All right, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. Happy reading.